I hope you guys are doing good. This is going to be sort of a catch-up video. I hope that's okay. Boy, you cannot get any more casual than this. I have been doing a bunch of upstairs cleaning this morning. I did put on a little bit of makeup so I wouldn't look super scary for you guys. I am cleaning my office upstairs. It has become the royal catch-up, and I got too hot working because today it's in the 80s, and so I am definitely trying to catch up with everything here at the house. So I hope you guys are doing fantastic when you're viewing this. So I wanted to do a catch-up video for you guys and let you guys know what I have been up to. Hopefully you all are doing well. We are fine. I just have not had a single opportunity to pick up the camera and film. I have been just swamped with all kinds of things to do. So let's see, where do I want to start? So this video is going to be sort of like a 2 holiday kind of catch-up video for you guys, a 2 holiday series. So the first holiday we're going to talk about is Mother's Day. My mom came and it was awesome. We had a lovely, lovely time. I cleaned the guest room. I put all new bedding on the bed, and I decorated her gift in one of those, it wasn't Croc brand, but have you all seen those like plastic Croc purses? It was like that, and I filled it with all kinds of goodies. I did loofahs. I did a new wet brush for her hair. I did a whole bunch of bath stuff as well as moisturizer. I'm trying to think what else was in there. And I tied some balloons to it, and I had it on the bed waiting to surprise her for Mother's Day, which I thought on that particular day, it took her forever to get upstairs and get the gift, right? So she finally got it. She loved everything. I made a ton of food. We had meatballs. We had cream of chicken and biscuits. What did I make for dessert? I made a Dolly Parton coconut cake for dessert. And I made a chocolate trifle in a bowl where it was layered. I made that. It was very, very good. Then I had a lot of leftover meatballs, so we made meatball subs one day. And I'm trying to think if there was something else that we ate. I think that was it. Anyways, we had a very good time. We ate very well. We did a lot of work on the house. So it's kind of funny because in one day we went shopping. We came home, we planted flowers. We made a craft. I fixed dinner. And I think that we shot Ronnie's live broadcast that we film from this house over on Facebook with my mother, who is a pianist, if you don't know. And we also went to church while they were here. We went to Mother's Day service. We went Sunday morning and Sunday night. And, I mean, we just kept busy. I did get some footage from Mother's Day, and I am going to insert it here in this video so you guys can see all that we did. And it will start with us going to Menards. I had to film coming into the store because it was so pretty. There was all these fountains and flowers. They had it laid out like I want my yard laid out. And I said to Mom, I need this. Pretty much I wanted everything in the entryway of the garden center. I need this table. Ooh, look at this one. Oh, it's expensive. Look how pretty that is. There's a rock one. Man, look how pretty that butterfly is. Oh, I like that. That's cute too. There's a small one. That's not bad. Ronnie would like that because he could hear it.
Yeah. Well, you could probably run one of those.
There's the bench Dad said I needed today. I need that sign to go above it. So it is tradition that my mom and I, when we are together, we make a craft. And she brought these pots, which we painted. We added eyeballs. We added fake eyelashes. We did like a little hat, like a little thing that you tied around its head. I also planted a flower in mine. And I think they came out really cute, and I will show you at the end of this video what it looks like today, because my flower that I planted is blooming so pretty. But we had a lot of fun, and it's so funny to look at, isn't it? Now it is morning time. It is Memorial Day that you are seeing now. And my girlfriend brought me these mini muffins. They're chocolate chip. I'm having a couple of those to start my day with a cup of coffee. And then I'm going to just get into what it is that I need to get into. I have recently bought a new KitchenAid mixer and I love it. And I feel like a very blessed lady that I got this. This was part of my Mother's Day. And I am right now making a spring cake for company that we are going to have. I will leave the recipe for my spring cake down below in the description box if you are interested. But this is a huge crowd pleaser. It's easy to put together and it's inexpensive. Well, who has the hot dog chili? Well, I do. And if you're interested in this recipe, I will leave it down below for you guys. I have become the regular connoisseur of hot dog chili. Everybody is wanting this. It is widely requested. I do have a video on my channel with the recipe, and I will leave it down below for you guys. As you can see, at this point I have made it so frequently that I don't even measure anything out, and it comes out delicious. I had 0 leftovers by the end of the day, Memorial Day, because it was so good. And it is a simple recipe and it is delicious. You're going to see here that I'm frying up sausage dogs as well as regular hot dogs to have on this day. We also had hash brown casserole as well as baked beans. And we also had some watermelon, and you're going to see my plate here in a minute, but that was pretty much our Memorial Day. Really quickly before I close out this video, I just wanted you to see how pretty my flowers have grown since Mother's Day. I absolutely love them. We have been having some exceptional, beautiful weather, and I cannot complain. It has really helped my flowers to grow a good bit. And you're going to see me straighten out my little pinwheel thing there. But I absolutely love my flowers. Here's my pot with my planted flower in it. I hope you all enjoyed. Thanks so much for watching. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll be seeing you all again soon. Bye, guys.